Hey guys, this is Anil from bloggspassion.com. Today I'm going to talk about our newly launched book that's called Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. We launched this ebook to help newly bloggers in taking their affiliate revenue to the next level. If you are new to blogging or if you want to start making money while affiliate marketing, so you should go for this ebook. To access the ebook, you can go to ebooks.bloggspassion.com. On ebooks.bloggspassion.com, we have a couple of ebooks right now. One is Affiliate Marketing Blueprint, which we launched yesterday, and the second ebook is about keyword research, which we launched in Feb this year. So today we are going to talk about the latest ebook, which is Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. This ebook can help you in taking your monthly revenue from $0 to $1,000 a month. So this ebook is recommended for those guys who are not able to make any revenue from their blogs through affiliate marketing. This ebook is not recommended for those people who are doing affiliate marketing for a long time and have been successful in their affiliate marketing efforts. The best thing about affiliate marketing is you can make passive income with affiliate marketing. You can keep getting sales even while you are sleeping. Affiliate marketing is all about selling others' product. With affiliate marketing, you don't need to create any products of your own. In this case, you will be finding the best products that matches the content of your blog, and then you can start promoting that thing on your blog. Right now, we are offering this ebook for $999, and the actual price for this ebook is $2,999. And for our YouTube channel subscribers, I'm going to offer a special promo code. That's YouTube. You have to use the promo code YouTube at checkout level to get some discount while purchasing this ebook. So this ebook is not going to cost you even this 999 INR. So you are going to save more money basically while using the promo code YouTube. So guys, I'm going to share the link for this ebook as well as the promo code in the description of this video as well. So when you will be using that promo code, you will be able to save lots of money while purchasing this ebook. This ebook can be handy for those people who want to make money through their blogs or who want to monetize their YouTube channels or who are aiming at making money through Amazon affiliate products. So we have created separate module for each of them. So from here you can see my blogging journey. I sold one of my website by Flippa in 2011 and I sold it for $35,000. So it was in 2011. The next screenshot, it's one of the affiliate products we are promoting. It's Semrush affiliate program, which is called Beerus.com. So we have been promoting them for the last 4 years. And this screenshot just shows how we are able to make from them in the last 4 years. So it's not the case that we end up making that much of money with them in a month or in a year. So it took us 4 years to reach to this level. So if you want to get success with affiliate marketing, you have to keep putting efforts and you can expect good results from your affiliate marketing efforts in the long run. So affiliate marketing is not a get rich scheme, or you can't get success with affiliate marketing in a day or in a month. You have to put lots of hard work in the right direction to start getting success with your affiliate marketing blogs and websites. If you look at this screenshot, we have so far been able to make $260,000 plus from single affiliate product only. What you are going to learn in this book, you are going to learn how to pick the best affiliate products, how to choose the best channels, how to write product reviews that actually converts, how to build trust. Trust is really important when you are aiming at getting sales through affiliate marketing. People purchase things from the people whom they know. They don't buy things from the strangers. And then you can learn lots of things like how you can use Amazon Associate Program to make money through your blogs, and then how you can monetize your YouTube channel and much more. So there are lots of things we are going to cover in this ebook, and this ebook is more than 250 pages long. So we have covered lots of stuff here. So here you can just see all the modules that we are going to cover in this book. Introduction to affiliate marketing. Here we'll be talking about all the basic stuff around affiliate marketing, then how you can use Amazon affiliate program to earn lots of money from your Amazon affiliate websites and blogs. The third module is about blogging. Basically, here we will be talking about how you can use your blogs to make money through affiliate marketing. And the fourth module is about YouTube channel, basically how you can use your YouTube channels to make money while selling affiliate products. From here, you can buy the ebook. Again, you can use the promo code YouTube to get huge discount on your ebook purchase. Guys, you can find the link for this ebook as well as the promo code that you can use to get huge discount while purchasing this ebook. And this promo code is generated especially for our YouTube channel. Now let's talk about some more bonuses that you're going to get as part of this ebook. So we are actually giving you 5 ebooks, not one ebook. We are actually giving you 5 ebooks. So there are 4 bonus ebooks. The first ebook, that's affiliate marketing secrets. So we are going to share lots of secrets that you can use to take your affiliate income to the next level. Second, we are going to share you the exact checklist you should be following to get success with your affiliate marketing efforts. Third, we are going to share you a case study which shows how we are able to make $250,000 plus income from a single affiliate product. So we are going to share lots of insights there. That case study is going to help you a lot in your affiliate marketing journey. And the fourth one is we are going to share you the list of 150 plus affiliate programs. And here we have covered lots of industries: health, travel, finance, blogging, SEO, web hosting. So we have covered lots of industries here in this list. So you should be able to find the relevant affiliate programs you can join for your blogs and websites as well from this list. So guys, this was all about this ebook. So let me recap again. We are going to give you 5 ebooks in total. One is the main ebook. Then there are 4 bonus ebooks which you are going to get when you will be purchasing the main ebook. And in case you want to get some discount while purchasing this ebook, you can use the YouTube promo code which I'm going to share in the description of this video. Guys, now let me show you what other top bloggers and affiliate marketers are saying about our affiliate marketing blueprint ebook.
Anil's affiliate marketing guide is absolutely useful. It is amazing. It has all the details in it. It doesn't matter whether you are a beginner blogger or an advanced blogger. If you're into affiliate marketing, this guide is an absolute must-have. It is rightly named as the blueprint because it has all the details step by step. If you are doing online business or affiliate marketing in these times, this is golden period because you have people like Anil who are really willing to share their strategies, their secrets with you and hand it over to you in the form of a compact guide. So please don't think again, go and grab this guide.
The thing that's really helpful about Anil's affiliate marketing guide is that it adds all the details that you need to follow to succeed. When you really drill deep to affiliate marketing, if you want to profit, the profits, the money, the success, they're all in the details. And this guide is an excellent read for you to grab, consume, and use to boost your affiliate marketing income. Pick it up today, guys.
Hey, hi guys, I'm Jiten Masani. So I'm recording this video testimonial for my friend Anil Agarwal ebook, like affiliate marketing. So what, like a lot of you guys right now, like newbies especially, they want to enter into affiliate marketing field, right? So Anil Agarwal ebook is the blueprint for you guys to get into affiliate marketing and at least start making $1,000 a month. Because I'm seeing a lot of newbies are still struggling with how to make money online. Like they are still struggling to find out the niches, like the profitable keyword, how to start an Amazon website, how to start a niche website, how they can find the profitable keywords to rank and bank on Google, right? So Anil Agarwal, like affiliate marketing ebook, it's a step-by-step blueprint for you guys. So you need to get this book from Anil Agarwal because he has an experience of doing affiliate marketing business from like 7 to 8 years, and he's sharing the case studies like how did he made like 250K with SEMrush and Bluehost, like how he's making like $1,500 every month from Bluehost. So he's sharing everything step by step. So this is the ebook. You should really get it. Anil Agarwal, well done. Like I've gone through your ebook. You are doing tremendous job, like helping newbies. Like a lot of people are still struggling to make at least $1,000 a month. And Anil Agarwal book, like affiliate marketing blueprint, is the right choice for you people to get into this business of affiliate marketing because this is the right time. Like 2020 is the right time for you to start your own online business because 2021 is going to be a huge boom for e-learning, digital marketing. Everything will be going digital. So get this ebook. And thank you so much, Anil. Take care, man.
So guys, you can see what other experts are saying about affiliate marketing blueprint. So this should be enough for you to convince to take action and buy this ebook now to improve your affiliate marketing skills. You can't get success with affiliate marketing without putting any investment to improve your skills. So if you want to improve your skills, you should buy the products or courses or ebooks around the skills that you want to become good at. If you want to become good at blogging, so you should start reading the blogs, website, courses, ebooks from top guys in your industry. And if you want to become really good at affiliate marketing, you have to make some investment. So that could be in the form of ebooks, that could be in the form of courses. So you have to keep learning new stuff, and with learning you should aim at implementing them as well. So guys, I hope this video is going to help you in taking your affiliate marketing journey to the next level. And if you are interested in buying my ebook, you can use the promo code YouTube at the checkout page to get huge discount while purchasing this ebook. I'm going to share the details for all of these things in the description of this video as well. So you can find all of these details in the description. Guys who will be buying this ebook, I would highly recommend you to go through the ebook and then share your feedback, comments, or testimonials about the ebook in the description of this video. Thanks a lot for watching today's video.